Hi, welcome to 247 Tech. In this video we're going to do the unboxing of this OMRON blood pressure monitor, and then we are going to connect it, and then we are going to test and see how we can measure the blood pressure monitor. This is one of the best blood pressure monitors with a price of around $55 US or $80 Canadian. Amazing deal. It can work with battery, it can work with AC power as well, and also it has Bluetooth, so you can view your record on your phone for two different device can be connected. So let's do the unboxing, and after that we will go through connecting and testing this. I just purchased this OMRON blood pressure monitor from Costco. We're going to just run a test and see what features this one has. Immediately the first thing that you see is this power adapter. So 4 batteries are included. We have a big English and French manual. This one is getting started. Nothing else left in the box. In the picture this was looking like so tiny. Now this is huge. And this is the cuff. Cuff looks very professional. Here it's very tight. You release it, it goes back. So the first thing, we have to put the battery. This is the connector that you connect the cuff. At this point, the bottom, there is nothing else except this battery, and here you will connect the power adapter, and it stays very nice on the table at an angle like that, so for a viewing purpose. Then connect this. Very easy, it just goes in. To turn it on, it's supposed to work with start and stop. As you can see, so it got error because we don't have arm in it. That is without arm. Now let's run the first test. So the wire should be on this side when you insert your hand here. And according to this instruction, you should have about 1 to 2 centimeters between your elbow and at this point. And so this shows 108 over 73. To keep all the data of the reading for each person on this device, you must set the time and date so it knows when it was taken. And the battery must be in place in order to keep all those data. If you connect this through your mobile device, then the time and date will be set through to the Bluetooth of your phone, so you don't have to set it. While the device is off, press here and I hold it, and now you see we are reading 2015. So I'm going to the right, it became 2016. Now I'm pressing this 2 button to change it, increase to the right. 2018. Now press this to go to the next field, and now this is, I believe this should be month, and then it should be day, and I'm changing it with these two buttons. Let's see if this is month. Yes, so it was month, September, and then we press this, go to the next field, 10, and then go to the next field, with this again go to the minute, that's done, and press this. Now the blinking starts, so we have date and time. Now let's install the app. I'm using Android, and here just type OMRON Connect US Can, that's US and Canada. If you're in another region, just select that one, and the first one is the app. Install. Now installation is finished. Let's open it. Thing that I don't like is that I have to create an account, so I will create an account. Thing that I don't like is that I have to create an account, so I will create an account. I confirm that I'm 18. With everything, you have to agree. Data will be collected. Marketing information. You see, you cannot select any of those and go to next, so you have to accept it. Personal data will be collected. That's part of it. That is not good. Agree. So they ask you for the date of birth. I have to pick something, and the height. Now I cannot enter centimeters. We are in Canada, and they're assuming that we are in the US, and I don't know what foot and what inch I am, so I will enter something. Dismiss. Get started. So we have the Omaron monitor. Now it says press and hold this button. This one, the connect. Press and hold. I press this to turn it off. Holding this. Now P is there, and press pair now. Connect it. Pair this device. So which user are we? Let's say I'm user 1. So each user can pair separately, and they will have their own record. So now this is paired with user 1. If you're user 2, just select user. How to record your, so this is done. Put the cuff in here. Make sure it's 1 to 2 centimeter from your elbow this way, and the pipe is at this location, and then bring this. I'm tilting this so you can see it. At this stage, make sure that you are either user 1 or user 2. So this is now 1, user 1. I'm now user 2, so I'm putting it in 2. This way I can record this and also get the value on your cell phone separately for user 2, because in the same time you can do only one on the phone. So if there is another person, he or she can do it in one. So I'm using it in number 2. Everything is ready, just press. So this is the result. This is 63, the heart rate or the pulse heart. So it has been recorded with the time and date, 6 and 68. Now let's do another test. See the consistency, 106, 68. So again, this is 68 and that was 106. So this is very close to the previous value. Sometimes you will get E5, that's an error, so you have to redo it. Either the cuff is not tightened properly or your hand moves. In that case you will get error, so let's do it again. Turn it off and then now this is 66 is the heart rate, and because both of these are green, my heart blood pressure is normal. Now press this to go off. So to transfer the recordings to your phone, first make sure your phone is the Bluetooth is on, so turn the Bluetooth on. My Bluetooth is on. Then open this OMRON app. As soon as this goes on, automatically it gets connected. You see, I don't need to do anything. It just transfer them all. You see, that sign was a transfer and it says transfer OK. And here it says transfer OK. Once you see this sign, it says transfer OK. The transfer have been completed. And this is the latest one that we have. So just press history and you will see all your readings. And if you want this one with more details, just open and you can put also a note. Final conclusion is that this is one of the best tools that you can get with the money. Quality is good, the build is good. The only backdraw that I notice is that it consumes a lot of battery. That's why I turn to this, because it will be too costly to just replace the battery while you have this wire. Battery would be used if there is no power, then that's fine, but at home I will suggest using it with power. Other than that, everything is good. The quality and build is good. The convenience of transferring the data to your phone and maybe sharing it with your healthcare specialist, that's also a very big plus to be used. Definitely recommend this to everyone. One thing that I wish this had was some kind of box or container, because now you carry this and you carry this one and you put it in a drawer. Slowly this will accumulate dust and other stuff. Everything will be stuck here. That's not good, so I have to find some kind of carrying bag or box for this. Other than that, everything is good. Please thumb up the video if you like it, and subscribe so you can get updates of my upcoming videos.